Colombia has characteristics typically found in emerging economies, where a lack of real estate development creates unique investment opportunities. The recently approved free trade agreement with the United States will bring an additional demand to Colombia's already high-performing economy, and strong growth is expected in the business tourism sector. Bacata Express is a 108-room hotel located in the Chico neighborhood in uptown Bogota on the corner of 95th Street and 14th Avenue. This property will be focused on national and international business tourism. The area is a center of gastronomy and is also home to the most exclusive stores in the country and abroad. Investors have shown their confidence in this project by completing the first selling phase of the venture in just 3 months. How does the investment work? You can invest in one of the last 100 reps priced at 44 million pesos before the hotel opens its doors in 2013. Once the hotel becomes operational, reps are expected to increase in value to approximately 60 million pesos. Purchases are made with a down payment of 4,400,000 pesos, then 8 monthly installments of 1,500,000 pesos, and the remaining balance at closing. Take advantage of this great opportunity to own one of the last 100 fitties at this price. Please contact one of our sales associates.